Welcome to Godwin Tech. In this tutorial of today, I'm going to walk you through on how to insert image, shape and table in MS Word. Okay, so if you're a user of this app, this video may be helpful to you. So the first is to open your Word app. So here am I on my screen. I have the Word app opened already. So click on the spot where you want to insert any of these objects. Let's assume I want to insert it here, so I click on the spot. So if I want to insert image here, the next step is to click on the insert tab. Insert tab is one of the major tabs in Microsoft Word, so click on it, then click on pictures. Select where you want to get this picture from. If the picture is in your device, you have saved it in your computer, select the option for this device. If you want to source it from the image gallery of Microsoft, select this option, stock images. If you want to source the picture online, select this option. But for you to use these two options, stock images and online pictures, make sure your computer is connected to the internet, so that will help Microsoft to retrieve this image or help you search for the image you want to insert in your Word document. Okay, so let's assume let's go with the option of this device. So click on this device option. Now these are some images I have in my computer. If this is the pictures folder opened automatically, but maybe you have the image saved in any other folder like desktop or downloads, any other place it is. If it's on desktop, click on desktop folder. If it's in downloads, click on downloads. If it's in documents, click on documents. Then I navigate to any other section you want to get to the image. As you can see, I'm on document. From document I went to a folder I created, which is Exchange. So double click on the picture and the image will be inserted, as you can see here. Okay, so you can decide to adjust the image by maybe taking it up or just shaping it by sideways. Okay, you press down the left button of your mouse. Okay, then drag in any direction you want to shape in the image. Okay, so these are just the steps on how to insert image. Then let me go to shape. If I want to insert shape, click on the spot where you want to insert the shape. Click on the insert tab. Now these are some commands here. So shapes, one of the commands here is shape. So click on the drop down as shape, the drop down here. Then these are some shapes I can work with. It's still the same shape you can see in your own computer, okay, in your own Microsoft Word app, desktop app. Let's assume I want to work with rectangle, so I will click on rectangle. Then I will take down the mouse to the section of my document where I want to insert this shape. Okay, press down the left button of your mouse, then drag in one direction, okay, until you get to the shape you want or the length you want it, and release the pressure. As you can see, this shape has been created. Okay, the rectangular shape has been created. So these are just how to insert shape. Okay, now if I want to insert table, click on the spot where you want the table to be inserted, then click on the insert tab. Now this is table as one of the major commands under the insert tab. So click on the drop down there, then take your cursor down to the left. As you can see, as I'm taking into any direction, the number of the tables are increasing downwards. Okay, all right, so if I want to have 4x3 table, I can click on this spot and it will be inserted. But if you want to use the option of selecting the number of rows and the columns you want to have inside, just click on the option insert table. Okay, this will open an insert table dialog box. So the number of columns you want, type it in this space. Let's say I want to have 7 columns, and the number of rows I want to have like 5 rows. All right, type 5 there, then click on OK button. You can see this table has been inserted in my document. All right, so these are just the few steps you need to take to insert images, shapes, and tables in your Word document. I hope this video helps. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button so that you get notification whenever I publish any kind of video that has to do with technology or Microsoft Word to be specific. Okay, all right, see you next time in my other videos.